Successful trials of titanium copper alloys for 3D printing could kickstart a new range of high performance alloys for medical device, defense, and aerospace applications. Current titanium alloys used in additive manufacturing often cool and bond together in column shaped crystals during the 3D printing process, making them prone to cracking or distortion. And unlike aluminum or other commonly used metals, there is no commercial grain refiner for titanium that manufacturers can use to effectively refine the microstructure to avoid these issues. But now a new titanium alloy with copper unveiled in Nature appears to have solved this problem. The researchers from RMIT University said their titanium copper alloy printed with exceptional properties without any special process control or additional treatment. Their findings also suggest similar metal systems could be treated in the same way to improve their properties. The new breed of alloys could increase manufacturers' production rates and allow for more complex parts to be manufactured.